Hello and welcome to my channel onlineclasses.com. From this video, we are going to start learning C programming language. C is a powerful general purpose programming language. It can be used to develop software like operating systems, databases, compilers, and so on. C programming is an excellent language to learn to program for beginners. C programming is a procedural language. Instructions in a C program can execute it step by step. It is portable as one can move C programs from one platform to another and run it without any or minimal changes. C programming is faster than most programming languages like Java, Python, etc. It is a general purpose language as C programming can be used to develop operating systems, embedded systems, databases, and so on. Next is why learn C programming. C helps one to understand the internal architecture of a computer, how computer stores and retrieves information. After learning C, it will be much easier to learn other programming languages like Java, Python, etc. Opportunity to work on open source projects. Some of the largest open source projects such as Linux kernel, Python interpreter, SQLite database, etc. are written in C programming. Next, we will learn some important points about C language so that we can write any program in C language easily. First is C keywords. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. For example, int money. Here, int is a keyword that indicates money is a variable of type int or integer. As C is a case-sensitive language, all keywords must be written in lowercase. Next is C identifiers. Identifier refers to names given to the identities such as variables, functions, structures, etc. Identifiers must be unique. They are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of the program. For example, int money, double account balance. Here, money and account balance are identifiers. Next is header files. In C language, header files contain the set of predefined standard library functions. The hash include preprocessing directive is used to include the header files with .h extension in the program. Some of the header files are stdio.h, which contains input-output functions, conio.h, which contains console input-output functions, stdlib.h, which contains general utility functions, math.h, which contains mathematics functions, etc. Void is an incomplete type. It means nothing or no type. One can think of void as absent. For example, If a function is not returning anything, its return type should be void. Note that one cannot create variables of void type. Next is C output. In C programming, printf is one of the main output function. The function sends formatted output to the screen. Now we are going to start writing our first program in C language, in which only one line is printed using printf. Hash include stdio.h, int main, open braces, printf in bracket and in double quote C programming. After writing this, we have to give semicolon, then return 0 and semicolon, and then close braces. As the output, C programming will be printed using printf function. So, how does this program work? All void C programs must contain the main function. The code execution begins from the start of the main function. The printf is a library function to send formatted output to the screen. The function prints the string inside the quotation. To use printf in our programs, we need to include stdio.h header file using the hash include stdio.h statement. The return 0 statement inside the main function is the exit status of the program. It's optional. This is all for this video. In the coming videos, we will learn more about C programming language. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and to subscribe my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications of further videos of my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.